Hey, JC here at JC's Comics and More, your pop culture superstore at 6725 West Central Avenue. That is Toledo, Ohio. 43617 419 531 6097. We've got some new comic art boxes here. I'm going to put those together so you can have a look at them. This is the Avengers, and I think there's a Spider-Man one as well, if I remember correctly. This appears to be the Alex Ross artwork on this one here, which will help that to sell a lot faster. Okay, let me just put this down for just a minute here and close this box back up. Swap out the other one that we're going to be taking a look at. Okay, let's get this thing put together. See how this thing looks. These are sold to us in quantities of 10. I don't know if there's retailers out there complaining that they can't sell, quantities of 5. I don't know if there's retailers out there complaining that they can't sell anymore, that 10 is too many. To me, 10 is certainly good. I'm certainly happy, ordering quantities of 10. Okay. Again, Alex Ross. This is from some Avengers issues that came out recently when the Avengers really dropped their standards. Very, very much dropped their standards. Anybody could become an Avenger, it seemed. But great Alex Ross artwork, and this sells for $13. Okay, we will set this one aside, and we'll cut open this other box. So I believe the other one is a Spider-Man box. And no, it's an X-Men box. I'm sorry, I was mistaken. Okay, and we're going to be checking this Superman next, based on artwork by Jim Lee. Here you've got the top. Pop those out. Let's get this put together. This is not New Comics Day. New Comics Day is tomorrow and Wednesday, but this is the day that we process our comics. So there's lots of comics to get processed this week. So there's the top. Here's the body itself. Set that box aside. You've got, looks like pretty much all the X-Men on here, even though you've got Nightcrawler that does not look like a demon. It's a very bad representation of Nightcrawler. His fingers should be much larger also. They look like normal fingers. The artist that drew it needs to go back, and there again, does not look like Nightcrawler. Fingers are too narrow. They look like normal fingers, and they're not normal fingers. Go look at the John Byrne, look at the Paul Smith, look at the Dave Cockrum, look at the John Romita Jr., look at the Mark Silvestri. Look at all those representations. Go look at the Alan Davis representations of Nightcrawler, and you'll see Nightcrawler looking the way he should look. Nightcrawler's a demon. When the new X-Men came around, Nightcrawler was not your atypical mutant. By that, most mutants at that time looked normal. Nightcrawler looked anything but normal. Here, he looks kind of normal. Just put some makeup on his face, and he's a normal-looking dude. Nightcrawler's not supposed to be a normal-looking dude. But that's it for the comic boxes. Again, we've got the Uncanny X-Men, and we've got the Avengers by Alex Ross. If you like these videos, certainly subscribe, and when you subscribe, be sure to smash that bell for notifications.